We were given both of these stand-up walkers so that we could give you guys a review, and overall, I am really impressed with the quality of it. They have a really nice weight to it, which means they're gonna be nice and sturdy when your little one is scooting them around, and I love just how many features that there were. He's already reaching for it because these are so much fun to play with. Let's take a closer look.
I thought it was a really great height for my little ones to be able to stand behind and push when they're ready, but I really loved this is great for kids even before they are ready to take their first steps, because you can have this up against the wall and you can see how many different activities there are for them to do just sitting in front of it. They can also practice their sitting and leaning skills, those hand-eye coordination and dexterity. I thought there were so many different fun things to do. Literally every single side and angle of this, there are activities for your little ones to be able to entertain themselves with. The colors are really bright and fun, and everything is nice and chunky for their little hands to be able to grab onto. Overall, I was seriously impressed with the quality of this and just how much there is to do. This is definitely something we're going to be able to have for a year or two to be able to enjoy it with. I definitely would recommend checking this out if you have a little one or expecting.